What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Well, I've been busy and, with boards, work, this and that. So I will be posting videos and I'm probably not get as much sun as I want for the month of August. But, I need to give you some updates with my dividend portfolio. So right now I'm at 127,000. Things are looking very good. I've been dollar cost averaging. My money weighted rate of return right now is 16.43%. Now, with this part of my portfolio, not this section including this section of the portfolio, I made 9,923. This got me a lot more to equate more than $10,000 in dividends earned. So I'm going to show you everything with my dividend portfolio. I promised I would. Each month, I show you what I'm doing and my strategies. So you got to check these things out. Again, my videos are free. I don't give financial advice. Everybody's investing strategy is different. So I own a lot of stocks. It's like I created my own ETF. I do believe in the Yieldmax ETFs to turbocharge my dividend portfolio. It's been a phenomenal job turbocharging my dividend portfolio. I will be adding NVDY, and there might be some other covered call ETFs I'm going to be adding as long as M1 Finance allows it. And I have a new weekly strategy with that one, as you know, that distributes that weekly dividend or passive income. I have an idea that I may do, and it might include dollar cost averaging each week because, my gosh, if I'm making money each week and it's going into my dividend portfolio, imagine the turbocharging with that. Options are risky. I have to learn how to master it. I know a lot of people are doing very well with options income, but I don't got time because I'm studying for boards. So let's check out my passive income that I've been earning, and then we'll go over all my holdings and I'll try to explain my rationales as to what I'm doing. So here's my paid income that I've had for this year with M1 Finance. It's $10,325.35. So I have some pending income coming, and it says estimated income. I'm assuming that's the extra money that's going to be coming in, okay, with the estimated income. If you look at what I made last year, that is $6,387.09. The total income, okay, includes paid pending and estimated dividends. So right here is more important. The paid income that I've earned, that's what I like way more. I want to see more because, look, I can compound, I can reinvest, I can make money, and have my money make money. That's the purpose. So you're seeing the journey right now. I made 1,106 in January, February 937, but I'm pretty sure I made a total of 1,000 because on eTrade I've done well. 1,455 in March, biggest one, April 2024, 2,196, May 1410, June 1711, July 1507 right now, okay, and it's not finalized yet, but I will reveal to you everything that I made, and it's been pretty good. I mean, with my income. Now, yes, I made some good money with the Yieldmax ETFs, but long-term wise, the Yieldmax ETFs are not going to win for me. The dividend growth stocks are going to win for me. That's the important thing. Yes, I just made a post on X and Instagram. Check me out on Instagram. Check me out on Threads as well, Dark Dividend. And I also made a shorts. I really compliment Dividendology's post, and I did tag him on X, and he was very thankful for that because he deserves credit. I always give people credit for their posts, but I like high yielders as well. Because, I mean, am I going to have all this money to buy Apple? Thousands and thousands of dollars to get, 100 shares of Apple? And the dividend growth is, I mean, it's great, but it's puny. So I don't know what I don't know what I'll do with that in the long run with somebody like Apple. It's a great buy. I mean, I can integrate that in my dividend investing strategy, but now's not the good time because, those very low yielders, uh, I kind of like the high yielders too and the 3 to 5 percenters. So let's check out my holdings. I'll give you a much better presentation than they did for the opening ceremony of the 2024 Paris Olympics. So here's all my holdings. I have 111 positions. I want to thank M1 Finance for allowing me to have more positions. I have CONY, 334 shares. Now, again, reliability isn't there. Now, MSTY, 124 shares. Runway Growth Finance, 9067. ARC, but I'm going to stop right here. Because what I may do is have 100 shares on eTrade of CONY, MISTY, and then start funding it each time to throw it on M1 Finance to get this to grow. So I may do that. I did do that with TSLY previously. I may do that next year. Ares Capital, 90 shares. Regions Financial, I'm way up, 12.17%, 87 shares. One of my goals may be to get to 100 shares by the end of this year. Premier Financial Corp, 86 shares. Trinity Capital, 81 shares. QQQY, 73 shares. Bearings BDC, 73.4 shares. Flowers Foods, 71 shares. Vici Properties, yes, I have taken Latin, classical Latin. It should be wiki, but it drives me nuts, so I have to say Vici here. 69 shares. Wendy's, 68 shares. Yes, I do think they jumped their or hiked their dividend way too fast, but I'm going to hold on to them. They're busy. I like seeing busy businesses, people in line, cars, fast food. So I'm holding. Capital Southwest, 68.23. TSLY, 61 shares. Now, liability isn't there. Tesla's way volatile up and down. There's a risk, but I'm not too upset with what I've made with TSLY. I'm pretty sure my returns versus losses are going to be better. Fifth Third Bancorp, 6101. Citizens Financial Corp. Ooh, look at that. I'm up 61.21%. Now remember, I went after the financial sector and real estate sector. Up 61.21%. Hercules Capital, I'm up 55.86%. 59 shares. Citizens Financial Group, 60. Blue Owl Capital Corp, I'm at 58 shares. Enterprise Product Partners, I'm pretty sure they just announced a dividend hike. 58 shares. Ally Financial, 56 shares. I'm up 65.98%. TSLX, I'm up 3.11%. Bank of America, I'm up 26.26%. Enterprise Product Partners, I'm up 41.20%. I'm at 53.2 shares. Bank, again, 53.54. Jackson Financial, I'm at 173.34%. IWMY, the Defiance Enhanced Options Income, the Russell 2000 at 51. Truist Financial Corp 51. Fidus Investment Corp 51. FSK KKR 49 shares. NSA National Storage Affiliates are finally getting up there. 49.28 shares. I'm up 9.10%. Broadstone Net Lease, 16 shares. U.S. Bancorp, 54.04%. Oaktree Special Lending, 47%. Refi, I'm at 46. Golub Capital, 44 shares. Rhythm Capital, 43. Saratoga Investment Corp, 43. AMDY got 43 shares. Again, volatility, be aware of the risks with Yieldmax. Pine, 42 shares. NNN REIT, 41 shares. Banco ZK, 41.9 shares. CubeSmart, 41.4 shares. One Main Holdings, 41 shares. Franklin Resources, they've been down. Might be one I need to capitalize on in a little bit. 39 shares. SQY, the Yieldmax SQ option, 38. Pfizer at 35. BlackRock Capital Corp at 34.74, Kroger 33.63, Gaming and Leisure Properties 32, Hormel Foods 29, they're finally in the positive, Getty Realty 27, CareTrust REIT 27 shares, MPLX, that's one I need to get up, 26 shares, Conagra Brand 26 shares, FBY at 25.67, Invitation Homes 25.26, Blackstone Secured Lending Fund 24.65, that needs to go up. Tyson Foods 23.92, IIPR I'm up 41.06%. I'm at 22.24 shares. I do think it's a little overvalued. JEPI 21.69, JEPY has some midstream 20.79, Rexford Industrial Realty 16.57, Starbucks 16 shares. I'm getting up there. British American Tobacco 15 shares, Altria 15 shares, Comcast 14, McCormick 14 shares, Broadcom 13 shares, Simon Property Group 13.79, FAPI, the Rex Fang Invitation 13.3, T Rowe 12.57, Prudential 11.94, One Oak 11.88, Fidelity National Financial 11.84, WP Carey 11.61, Pepsi 10.78, Mandela's 10.75, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF BITO 10.19 shares, Agree Realty 9.65, Next Era Energy 9.6, American Tower 9. Look at that. Whoa, I'm up 30.92%. Enbridge 8.73. This is one I've been buying. Coca-Cola 8.06. That needs to go up. Nike 7.55. Go woke. Which means I'm going to go buy dips with Nike because they're hurting a little bit. Medtronic 7.22, Philip Morris 7.03, Bank of Nova Scotia, watch my previous videos, 6.84, Citigroup 6.45, Toronto Dominion Bank, hey, I'm going after Canada, 5.50, Kimberly Clark 4.61, Procter & Gamble 4.3, Energy Transfer 3.9, Iron Mountain 3.88, Target 3.87, Chevron 3.8, Hershey's 3.7, Bank of Montreal 3, AbbVie 3.54, that needs to go up. Aflac 3.43, Kinder Morgan 3.49, Prologis 3.48. We still have some more. Alexandria Real Estate 2.97, McDonald's 2.83, Visa 2.6, American Financial 2.55, DLR 2.28, Microsoft 1.7, United Health Group 1.47, Lowe's 1.33, ADP 1.28, Tractor and Supply 1.19, Home Depot 0.873. So that is my portfolio. Right now, I will show you what's in my primary focus. So my primary focus, I have Vici, I have Pepsi, everything's mostly at 3% or 2%. Kroger, Essential Properties Realty Trust, Starbucks 3%, Broadstone Net Lease 3%, Invitation Homes 3%, United Health Group 3%, Rexford Industrial Realty 2%. Again, the REITs not catching up too fast, so it's worth it. Philip Morris 3%, Altria 2%, Hess Midstream 2%, Procter & Gamble 3%, Hershey's 3%, Mandela's International 3%, McDonald's 3%, Next Era Energy 3%, Visa 3%, Chevron 3%, Nike 3%, Iron Mountain 3%, Prologis 3%, Alexander Real Estate 3%, DLR 3%, AFG American Financial Group 3%, ADP Automatic Data Processing 3%, Aflac 3%, Toronto Dominion Bank 3%, Enbridge 3%, Lowe's 3%, Bank of Montreal 3%, Tractor and Supply 3%, Home Depot 3%, and Bank of Nova Scotia 3%. So that's my holdings right now. That's kind of my focus. And I'm going to dollar cost average and continue to dollar cost average. I'm focusing on the dividend growth stocks, a little bit of the high yielders, but I'm going to start switching them back and forth because everybody else needs some loving too to grow and grow my dividend portfolio. I'm not going to do anything with 5 shares or 10 shares of Procter & Gamble. I need like 20, 30, way higher than that to start doing some damage. So it's kind of my focus. I'm going to be trading back and forth. But I think for the month of August, I'm going to leave it as is and just dollar cost average. Let my passive income buy more dividend stocks, dollar cost average, and go from there. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Before I even say anything, everybody's investment strategy is different. I have the resources to throw in a lot of money with all these stocks. For people that don't have an opportunity to throw in that much money, it might be better to have maybe around 30 stocks, 20 stocks. One thing I plan on doing when I'm done with boards is creating a dividend portfolio with dividend growth and such to help you, a strategy, to have a model of a dividendo manifesto, and you can call it that, the second or so. And I just got to be done with boards. Just give me some time. I'm going to enjoy doing videos for you. Starting to lose my tan already. Still got the gym. Still got some fun. But it's going to be a lot more fun once I'm done with boards and I can be on here a lot more often. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Make sure you smash that like button. I will have a video for you tomorrow. That's a promise. The internet went down previously. So you guys take care and have a great Sunday, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence when it comes to investing. It is best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor. So go see a financial advisor and do not use my YouTube channel for financial advice. Go see a tax advisor if you're looking for tax advice. Don't use this YouTube channel for any form of tax advice or tax strategies. Make sure you do your due diligence when you invest. You can gain money, you can lose money. So take care and have a great Sunday.